Now, one apparatus that we need to pay special attention to is the Bunsen burner. The Bunsen burner is the main source of heating in the laboratory. It consists of three main parts: the chimney, the collar, and the base. The chimney is this long metallic cylinder with an air hole near its lower end. It allows the gas up from the inlet to be ignited at the top. The collar is this metallic ring surrounding the chimney at the lower end. It has a hole of equal size to that of the air hole. It controls the opening and closing of the air hole. The base is the thick metallic material with the gas inlet. It provides a firm and steady support. The gas inlet is usually connected to an external source of laboratory gas by means of a rubber tubing. The air hole allows air to enter and mix with the laboratory gas, usually methane. This way, there is complete combustion. When lighting the Bunsen burner, start with a closed air hole, and then connect the gas inlet to the external source of laboratory gas. We get a spark and open the gas. Notice that when the gas is first ignited, the flame produced is large, wavy, and with a yellow color. This is called a luminous flame and indicates inefficient combustion of the gas, and therefore a lot of unburnt carbon is being produced. When we open the air hole, air enters and mixes with the gas in the chimney. The mixture of air and gas burns with a nice blue flame. This is called a non-luminous flame and indicates complete combustion of the gas. There are no unburnt carbon being produced. A non-luminous flame is a clean burning flame. Never use the luminous flame for heating purposes in the lab because it will produce a lot of carbon or soot, which will make the apparatus dirty. A non-luminous flame is hotter, and this is good for heating but not lighting. When you look closely at the non-luminous flame, you can see three zones. The almost colorless region just at the top of the chimney, which is made up of mainly unburnt gas. The green-blue zone contains partially burnt gases due to insufficient air supply. In the outer pale blue zone, where there is complete combustion of the gas due to sufficient air supply. The almost colorless region is relatively cold because it contains mostly air and unburnt gas. The hottest part of the flame is just at the top of the green-blue zone, where air is now fully mixed with the gas. If you place a wooden splint at this point of the flame, it will produce this kind of a burning pattern. The unburnt region is the region that was in contact with the almost colorless zone. But if you place it up here, this will be the burning pattern. You see, the middle part is what was in contact with the hottest part of the flame. So you should not let the almost colorless zone come into contact with what you are heating because it's relatively cold. The best practice is to always place the item being heated just outside the tip of the green-blue zone because it's the hottest part of the flame. Here, we can see a porcelain crucible being heated in the Bunsen flame. Again, notice how the crucible is placed at the top of the hottest zone. And see how the underside of the crucible is red hot, indicating that it's being heated properly. Now, if you look at the luminous flame, you will see four regions. a thin outer pale blue region where there is complete combustion due to air supply from the surrounding. A luminous bright yellow region consisting mainly of tiny particles of unburnt carbon. This is the region that produces light and makes the apparatus dirty with soot. The almost colorless region consists of air and unburnt gas. And a blue zone at the bottom of the flame, where there is complete combustion of the gas due to air rising from the surrounding lower regions.